Good morning. We are gonna pop into Dollar Tree. This isn't one of my favorite stores, but we're gonna give it a chance today. We're gonna see, I'm sorry, I have my retainers in, so I'm gonna sound weird, but we're gonna give it a chance today and see what it's got going on. Now that Halloween's over, I'm wanting to see how fully stocked these stores are. I'm also looking for a bunch of new products, so let's go in there and see what they're putting out that's new. I absolutely love these. These are so cute. I think I pinned these for my shower once, like on the, like I put these on like shower hooks. Super cute. This is what I'm noticing. I'm noticing my stores are like really behind. This is definitely new. The snowflake is gorgeous. Like, what? And they have that one. Look at that color. Oh, it's so cute. We've got the box of nutcrackers. The nutcrackers are back, y'all. Oh my gosh, they are so cute. But I have them all. What is that? Oh, I want this. Oh, I want that. I already grabbed some of these. I'll show you guys. Yeah, everything's in boxes. Gonna get a pack of these. This is definitely new. Never seen that before. These are also new. Anime dolls. I've never once seen anime dolls at Dollar Tree. Like what? And then I think these are little outfits for them. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. I don't think these are new, but they have them still at Dollar Tree. Little pin holders. Super cute. They also have some fabric or fat quarters. Look at these. So cute. To junk journal with for sure. Some really great pattern options for Christmas time as well. What's this one? Ooh, that's a good one. What's that? Ooh, that looks fun. So pretty. That's the bonus section though. These would be really great presents under the tree. Sling hockey, a little tea set. So adorable. What's this? Look at that. I know Halloween's over, but oh my god, I didn't even know that they had these. This Hocus Pocus one is my favorite. And the welcome one, this one. Oh my god. Wait, what's this? I thought that is cute. Very unique. Okay, it looks like this collection's coming out, and oh my god. Not a fan of this part, but this part, oh, I love it. Man, why do they have to ruin it? It's cute. See, I love this though. I love this plate. No. That is wild to me. Okay, these look new. They're diamond painting. Oh, I've seen stuff like this on TikTok. Oh, that is so cute. Okay, so I'm seeing 4 to this collection, which, see, I always see. Look at that. That is really cool. So these are definitely new. These also look new. Little travel jars. They have this color selection as well. I think I'm gonna get some of these. Wait, what are these? These look new as well. 3 different colors. I don't know if there's like purple. These look new too from Sassy and Chic. And then I gotta get that. Some smile line patches. Yeah, we're getting that. What is this? This definitely looks new. So does this. Bold Bright lipstick. It's looking like Kylie Jenner's line. Look at all this. And there's mascara as well. So we're gonna get all of that. Let's make right. Here's another one. This one. That. This one. All that's new. Let's look over here. Are you kidding me? Like, what? Yeah, we're gonna get those too. Oh my god, I never feel like I hit the jackpot in beauty. I feel like I'm always late to the game, but wait a minute. Yeah, we're gonna get these. We're definitely gonna get all those. Hopefully those don't fall out. And then these are new too. So niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. Those. This looks new too. Naked Blush. Lipstick by Flower. Let's see if they're all, I think they're all the same. So I'm gonna get just one. And, oh wait, there's more. Naked Blush. Naked Blush. Okay, those are all the same as well. Ooh, look at these blush colors. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Wait, what is this? This is definitely new too. Y'all, I'm hitting a crazy jackpot. We've got foaming acne scrub, charcoal scrub. So these are new too. These will be great stocking stuffers. So we're gonna get those. This acne wash is probably a dupe to the Neutrogena. We're gonna get that too. Oh my god, this whole section has been crazy. We're gonna get that too. And this. Oh, look at this. Look at this angled brush. We're gonna get that too. What else am I missing? Oh my god, this section was crazy. I've already got these little brushes before. Makeup cleaning brush mitts. These would be great stocking stuffers. These colors are really cool. I think the colors are new. They usually go with pastel, so it's nice to like see darker colors, moodier colors. But we're gonna get all these. We got all the nail stuff. What is this? These look new. Silly Scents toothpaste. Wow, that is very cool. We're gonna get those too. Another new item. Honestly, this store is surprising me because it doesn't even look stocked. See? That's the lesson you learn at Dollar Tree. You just never know. I can tell you guys that I already hauled this, but this is a dupe to the CeraVe moisturizing lotion. Like, oh my god, which I already have. What is this? Cornstarch baby powder, hypoallergenic. Wow, that's new too. We're gonna grab this for sure. Oh my gosh, these are new. Peppermint shower fizzers. And then we've got eucalyptus. We're definitely getting those. A nighttime concentrated mineral bath soak. Menthol sea salt. I'm getting that. I'm getting that. Lots of good stuff in this section too. Wait. Look at that. Bath bombs, vanilla scented. These are definitely new. We're gonna grab those. Spiced pumpkin hand soap. That's new. These are new too. Oh my gosh, how cute are those? You can pause the screen if you want to keep like reading it. But oh my god. Okay, let's check out their soaps because I love their soaps. Like the Yardley ones. But I don't see anything new. These were viral once. People use them to like wet an eyeshadow or an eyebrow brush, and then you run it over the soap and it like makes your eyebrows stay in place. Yep. Wait, what is this? Towel scrunchie. What? That's crazy. That is really cute. We're gonna get that. This looks new too. I've never seen this Hawaiian volcanic water. What? What is that? That's crazy. Gingerbread cookie mix.